Of Milwaukee Home. Milwaukee doesn't need to be New York or Chicago. Milwaukee needs to be Milwaukee, and we need to embrace that. Expand the idea of Milwaukee Home, of fashion, of art, culture, food. I want to show Milwaukee that it's bigger than what people think it is. We're not just beer and cheese, but we actually are a cool city. It's a lot of heart and soul here, community, and it's the people here that makes Milwaukee different, and I want to be a part of that. Milwaukee is a small city, but we are a very large community. We are starting to work together and collaborate, and the more we do, the more powerful we're going to become, and we're going to put ourselves on the map.
Said you're what?
Milwaukee Home team player.
And what's your name?
Kelly.
Alrighty.
I am Fashion Week MKE Initiative.
Why don't you do this?